What do you want, Kai? What? You want coffee? That's for big kids. You want coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a teeny sip. Go. What do you think? What do you think? You like it? You want more? You like coffee? You like it? Say coffee. Say coffee. What do you want? Coffee.